Cook that shit up, Quay.
What up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Ruben back with another video, man. And today, man, we're gonna be fixing my brother Mustang, man. As y'all can tell from the previous video, man, I wrecked my brother car. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't watched the video, it's gonna be in the description below. Just click on the link, man, and just watch the video, man. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Yeah, YouTube, as y'all can see, we got two headlights. We got the two headlights, you know what I'm saying? We got the driver airbag. We got this, you know what I'm saying, from someone on Facebook Marketplace. Someone was selling it, same color. So we looked up and we got a driver airbag. We got the nose panel, or whatever the name of that. We got that. We have also have the bumper over here. We got the bumper right here. We have the grill on the way in the mail. So yeah, finna start putting everything together. As y'all can see, YouTube, we had already took the old nose panel and the headlights off. So you know what I'm saying. So basically, what we just gonna do, we're just gonna stick this nose panel on and put the headlights on for now until the grill come in. As you can see, YouTube, with the nose panel in there, we got the lights running through it on both sides. Back at it. So now, YouTube, we're just sticking both of the lights in. Basically, you just want to plug the bulbs in. They should have gave me more clips or some shit. These bitches don't go in right. Basically, you want to do the same thing to the other side. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cut the video. So basically, the same thing. Yeah, YouTube got them both in. Nose panel and the headlights are both in. As y'all can see, both in. As you guys can see right here, we had a little trouble hooking everything up. So we just stuck it in place. We didn't hook the horn or anything up. We just set it in place. And on the passenger side, we just tucked the airbag back in, and we just made it look presentable. As y'all can see, YouTube, the inside still need a little work done to it. But other than that, she's still drivable. YouTube, yeah, we back out here, man. And all we did so far was we connected the fog lights at the bottom. You probably can't see it. We just connected the fog lights at the bottom. And now we're just gonna put the bumper back up. And you know what I'm saying, we're gonna get back to it when it's done. I'm back, YouTube, and as y'all can see, man, I got the bump on there, man. The bump and the little grill on the sides. You know what I'm saying? I gotta stick my rivets in there on both sides. And that's about it. Y'all can see on the hood too right here. If you wanna, you know what I'm saying, I had a little wreck. Right there, we got a little dent and stuff. But it's all good. She back riding, you know what I'm saying? Back to life. We got a side view for y'all. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get the bad baby painted. Got a couple panels painted, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be back on the road. that's about it, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Follow your boy on Instagram at Ruben334. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. Turn on y'all notifications. Hit the like button. And holla at me.